See the example. Now let us see a right shift operator. The operator that is used to shift the data by a specified number of bit positions towards right is called a right shift operator. After right shift operation, LSB bit should be discarded and MSB is empty and should be filled with 0. See the figure and see the example. Now let us say bitwise negate. The operator that is used to change every bit from 0 to 1 and 1 to 0 in the specified operand is called bitwise negate operator. It is used to find one's complement of an operand. See the example. Now let us see special operators. C supports some special operators of interest such as comma operator, size of operator. The comma operator can be used to link the related expressions together. A comma linked list of expressions are evaluated from left to right. The comma operator has least precedence among all operators. It is a binary operator which is used to separate items in the list. Example, A is equal to 12, 35, 6, 78. Combine two or more statements into a single statement. Int A is equal to 10, int B is equal to 20, int C is equal to 30. Can be combined using comma operator as int A is equal to 10, B is equal to 20, C is equal to 30. Example, this statement value is equal to within the common bracket x is equal to 10, y is equal to 5, x plus y. First assigns the value 10 to x, then assigns 5 to y, and finally assigns 15 to value. Since comma operator has the lowest precedence of all operators, the parentheses are necessary. The size of operator. The size of is a compile time operator, and when used with an operand, it returns the number of bytes the operand occupies. The operand may be a variable or a constant or a data type qualifier. Syntax is size of operand. See the examples. Now let us see precedence priority. It is the rule that specifies the order in which the certain operations need to be performed in an expression. For a given expression containing more than two operators, it determines which operations should be calculated first. Associativity. If all the operators in an expression have equal priority, then the direction or order chosen left to right or right to left to evaluate an expression is called associativity. Associativity is left associativity, right associativity. Left associativity in an expression, if two or more operators having same priority are evaluated from left to right, then the operators are called left to right associativity. Associative operator denoted as L to R. Right associativity. In an expression, if two or more operators having same priority are evaluated from left to right, then the operators are called right to left associativity. Associative operator denoted as R to L. BODMAS rule can be used to solve the expressions where B is equal to brackets, O is equal to operators, D is equal to division, M is equal to multiplication, A is equal to addition, S is equal to subtraction. The precedency hierarchy of operators is as shown in the figure. See the figure. Now let us see modes of arithmetic expressions. An expression is a sequence of operands and operators that reduces to a single value. Expressions can be simpler or complex. An operator is a syntactical token that requires an action to be taken. An operand is an object on which an operation is performed. Arithmetic expressions are divided into three categories: integer expressions, floating point expressions, and mixed mode Expressions. Integer expressions. If all the operands in an expression are integers, then the expression is called an integer expression. The result of the integer expression is always integer. Example, 4 divided by 2 is equal to 2. Floating point expression. If all the operands in an expression are float numbers, then the expression is called floating point expressions. The result of the floating point expressions is always float. 4.0 divided by 3.0 is equal to 1.3333. Mixed mode expressions. An expression that has operands of different types is called mixed mode expression. Example, 4.0 divided by 2, that is float divided by int. Evaluation of expression involving all the operators. The rules to be followed while evaluating any expressions are shown below. Replace the variable if any by their values. Evaluate the expression inside the parenthesis. Rewrite the expressions with increment or decrement operator as shown below. Place the pre-increment or pre-decrement expressions before the expression being evaluated and replace each of them with a corresponding variable. Place the post-increment or post-decrement expression after the expression being evaluated and replace each of them with corresponding values. Evaluate each of the expression based on precedence and associativity. Now let us see type conversion. The process of converting the data from one data type to another data type is called type conversion. Type conversion is of two types: implicit type conversion, explicit type conversion. Implicit conversion, C can evaluate the expression if and only if data types of two operands are same. If operands are of different type, it is not possible to evaluate expressions in such situation. To ensure that both operands are of same type, C compiler converts data from lower rank to higher rank automatically. This process of converting data from lower rank to higher rank is called an implicit type conversion, ITC. For example, if one operand type is same as other operand type, no conversion takes place and type of result remains same as the operand. That is, int plus int is equal to int, float plus float is equal to float, etc. If one operand type is int and the other operand type is float, then the operand type int is promoted to float. Promotion of hierarchy is as follows, as shown in the figure. Now let us see explicit type conversion. If the operands are of same type, data type, no conversion takes place by compiler. Sometimes the type conversion is required to get desired results. In such a situation, programmer himself has to convert the data from one type to another. This forcible conversion from one data type to another is called an explicit type conversion, ETC. Type within the bracket, common bracket, then expression. Syntax. Now let us see the example. Int within the common bracket 9.93 is equal to 9. The data conversion from higher data type to lower data type is possible using explicit type conversion. The following example gives the explicit type conversion. See the figure. Then what is typecasting? Explain with example. C allows programmers to perform typecasting by placing the type name in parentheses and placing this in front of the value. For instance, main within the bracket, braces, curly braces, float A is equal to float of float within the common bracket 5 divided by 3. Gives result as 1.666666. This is because the integer 5 is converted to floating point value before division and the operation between float and integer results in float. Difference between ITC and ETC. See the figure.